I know this is a little late for an unboxing for the GoPro since it came out like 5-6 months ago, but this is the Costco version. So right now this kit is $100 off. So I believe it's a good buy because I'm going from a GoPro Hero Black 3 that had, it's an old version that you have to buy an additional LCD monitor, and the battery is this big. And it's like, honestly, it's to me, it's hard to take out the battery door and all that stuff. So you know what, this might be the perfect time to upgrade. Didn't feel like upgrading the model, but there's one feature in this GoPro that I like a lot. So therefore, you know what, I think it's time for me to upgrade. So here he goes. Let me connect this back again. I don't want to cut the accessories, so try and cut it nicely. So it comes with GoPro case. Next, the camera itself. You know what? It's actually pretty small compared to my old one. Compared to my older camera, this is a little bigger. This is much smaller. So it comes with the camera. So 2 batteries, definitely a plus because each one runs about $20. So additional battery, it's helpful because there's time that you're out and about and you need that extra battery to continue recording. Come with the USB-C cable, which I like a lot because micro USB, it's old tech. So you want, your new expensive camera like this, you need to have new technology to charge and transfer data. So it comes with an adhesive mount, a little curved adhesive mount. So basically you can mount your GoPro on. And the thing to screw your mount to this. So basically, screw it in, lock it into place. Like that. You lock into place. I'm new to this. I've never seen this before. So the older one doesn't have this, but it locks into place and you screw it in. And then it comes with a 32 gig memory card from Samsung. I mean, it's sufficient enough, to record vlogs. So yeah, it's good, but I'm gonna use a 128. And then finally, so it also come with the last accessory is the handheld mount. So basically you mount this, mount the GoPro, and you can do vlogs, you can do recording more stable instead of holding like this. I like it. In the beginning of the video, the reason why I said I upgrade to the new model because I like this included feature. To me, this is a convenience. I mean, you don't have to buy a housing to get it to work, to get it to fit. There's no requirement for that. So this one, it's just as simple as, hey, you know what? I'm gonna vlog today. I'm just gonna stick this in, just like this. Or I might go record, my family outing or something like that. So basically stick this in like this, put it in, straight through, And there you have it. Now you can start recording. You don't have to buy a case to get that part. There's no need. It comes with it. And then it's still away. Once you're done, take it out, close it back up, and it's still away. I mean, this is, to me, it's convenience. And I like the convenient factor of this. And that's the main reason why I upgraded to a new model, because the GoPro Hero 7 Black doesn't come like this. And that's the battery housing. That right there is the, I'll show you the battery, where you put the battery in. This right here is where you put the memory card. So just like this, stick it in, push and close. I like this a lot. To me, the most important feature, in my opinion, is the 4K 60 FPS. You have a wide angle field of view. And the third one is this, the mount. So, I mean, to me, it's important. The next one is, it has touchscreen in the back. You know, coming from an old one that you have to buy additional screen to make it work, to do touchscreen. I mean, it's a leap. It's an advanced leap to me though, because I know other previous model, they got rid of this and they have touchscreen, but to me, this is still new to me. So another important feature is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's GPS enabled. So it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS enabled. Taking pictures, 12 megapixel, which is sufficient enough. You don't need 24 megapixel. To me, it's a good investment so that, you know, I can do more videos, get better angles at certain videos that I'm doing, because I can place it better. It's smaller, it's not heavy, and oh yeah. Lastly, the instruction. Forgot to show you the instruction booklet, and then it comes with, you know, and some stickers, I believe, right here. So there you have it. This is the GoPro Hero Black from Costco. You can definitely get it from the GoPro website for also $100 off, but I believe it's gonna be a little more expensive. It doesn't come with additional accessories like here, like I'm showing you here. So, I mean, it's yeah, to me it's a good buy, and it's definitely an upgrade from my previous version. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.